Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too flush.
Good morning, guys. And before you comment what is going on with this girl's hair, with this girl's lashes, with this girl's skin, just chill out for a sec. That's actually the whole point of this video. So I'm doing a self-care day. You guys saw I started off my day with a little bit of iced coffee that I now make at home. I'm just confidently showing you guys it does get worse before it gets good. I promise by the end of this video I'm gonna look okay. I'm gonna look good. For now, this is the reality of looking like a hotmess.com during these crucial panicked times. COVID-19, this whole pandemic has got us all kind of stressed and just not in the right mindset and feeling good about ourselves and our lives and the world, because you know they're telling us to stay inside. As an introvert, as someone who is naturally self-isolating, for a lot of people out there this might be a really hard time for them to just stay at home and not really have things to do. I'm going to take out these lashes, take out my wig and replace it because what is going on? I'm gonna try my best to look my best in hopes to feel my best. I have so many things to organize and clean up. My filming space is a whole mess. All my makeup is just scattered everywhere. There's makeup on the actual like table. I have to wash my makeup brushes. Like, I feel like how I look, which is never a good thing when you look like this. And they keep saying that it's just getting started in Ontario, so it's real. It's getting real. So we don't know how long it's gonna last. You need to keep yourself busy or else you might go a little bit apeshit. All we can do is stay positive in this crisis, and this is the purpose of this video, to have a little bit of content to cheer you up and make you feel like you're not alone in this. I mean, we're all going through this together, everyone all over the world, literally. We got our coffee, we got time, and we're about to make the most out of today. So let's get started. This is my hair box, like synthetic hair. This is synthetic ponytail. I don't know if I should keep. This I never even wore. I just bought it. It's like this curly ponytail. This is my bob wig. I do need that. A bundle. I like to keep my hair appliances in here as well. Always keep your receipts. Especially if you are self-employed. When that tax season comes around, you'll definitely be needing this. So I keep all my receipts in the Sephora box. All of them receipts. I kind of want to get rid of makeup that I don't even like use, you know, because it's just here. Powder. Will I ever use it? I mean, I don't use it at all. All of these brushes here, I'm gonna put them all in here because they all need to be washed. I specifically bought this cleaning mat to like scrub my brushes and clean them. I'm gonna do that right after I clean this table. Basically, after these grow out, I'm gonna attempt to do my own nails. So I got this kit. It's like it's called the it's a poly gel by Tamika, and it comes with all these different colors and a file, and the nails are underneath here, which I'm probably gonna do like in a vlog after this video. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to try these out. I know a lot of people who do their nails on their own, so I just wanted to give it a try, you know. I'm trying this like whole DIY thing.
This is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on.
Mad at me cause I'm elevating. What you wanted me to do? Please don't give up on me, Lord, Lord. Promise to keep going hard, hard.
All of my brushes are now clean and I'm waiting for them to dry. Everything is organized and clean. All I've been doing ever since I cleaned up was watching a Netflix show. I'm watching this show called The Stranger. Right now I'm about to take off my wig, wash it, and then put it back on.
Damn, you're really bored, huh?
So I just sprayed this on my head. It's just like a solvent that just dissolves the glue. I kind of just massage it in and then it'll start lifting. I just like stick my finger all throughout until she's free, you know, until it's free. Yes, okay. I usually take this part out in the shower because I don't want to rip out any of my edges, so I like to do it while the water is running. But yeah, now I have to wash this wig, wash my hair, shower, and then we're gonna put this on. So my hair is braided up, 2 doo-doo braids right here. And I'm about to put on my wig cap. I always listen to a podcast when I'm doing my hair. So I like to listen to Call Her Daddy. It just makes it so much more fun. It makes this like an even more like chill time for me because I'm like enjoying myself.
Ventured off to suit me.
So I'm gonna fast forward this, okay? Bye guys.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. All my raps on the facts that they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming.
So I'm now gonna start applying the glue, and this is where it gets fun, but also very serious. Make sure you have your paper towel with alcohol on deck at all motherfucking times. It dries clear, which is what you look for in a glue. So yeah, once you do this little dotting process, you're gonna start smearing it. And guys, all you need is a very thin layer for this. And get my paper towel and always clean the end of whatever you're using, because if you go back in with the same glue that's like kind of dry, it'll mess with it. So you always want to make sure you go in with a clean rat tail. And yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this to get clear and then we're gonna do another layer, but this layer is gonna come a little bit more forward. This is my favorite part of the week because as a bald bitch, once you have that hair in, you're just a whole different person. My job is to honestly be cute, which I fucking hate. It's not my job, but like for me to produce content, I want to look my best. For me to do that, unfortunately, I always have to be like hair laid, makeup great. When I have a wig on, it's like a big relief for me because I can just have my hair done for like the week. Obviously, if I went and got it done by a hairstylist, it would come out a million times better. If I do have a bomb wig, like this is just basic black, like middle part, okay, I can do this myself. But if I have a bomb like red or blonde wig, I'm definitely gonna go in and get it installed. I don't trust myself with that one. That one, I'm gonna get it installed. Okay, why did I just get excited? Now I want a blonde wig.
With me either way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life I'm trying to stay paid. I gotta put my money in it.
Before I straighten my hair, I use this Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This is a good wig, guys. I wash it once a week and it doesn't tangle up or anything. And a lot of you guys asked me where I got this wig, but I honestly don't remember. I don't remember. Like I got it last summer, but I didn't really wear it. And then I just found out like the bottom of my my wig bin that I showed you guys. We're all done, and that's how I install my wig. I'm fucking kidding. So now we're gonna flatten the top, and to do that, all you'll need is a hot comb, and you will need this olive oil foam. My hair is so soft. Add a heat protectant. Use a heat protectant before you straighten your hair. I swear it makes the biggest difference.
Derek Bookers and you nigga DNA. Ricky Spellers indicated with the gate. Little nigga, it's another state case. Very round motherfucker, Chase Bank trying to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. So I gotta reroute it. The nigga dripping.
So guys, I asked my Instagram followers what show I should start watching, and oh my god, I'm here watching Queen of the South, right? Let me just tell you, such a good show. If you guys are bored looking for a show to watch Queen of the South. Completely forgot about this video that I was filming because I was like, you know what, let me watch something on Netflix, but I got too carried away. I'm on episode 3 and they're each like an hour long, but like I'm so tuned in right now. I really want to do a face mask while I'm watching this, you know? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a face mask. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this episode. I'm like halfway through, then I'm gonna do a mask and then come back and sit down and watch some more because it is such a good show. It's about a girl who gets involved in the Mexican drug cartel because her boyfriend was a part of it. If you guys were into Narcos, you will be into this. And leave any other recommendations underneath, please. Maybe you guys can go down there and watch them too. So I'm using Karuna's Face for All, this set that I got gifted from FabFitFun. My leg is crossed. I am just chilling.
What's wrong? Hey, James. Something.
How is my desk already so messy? Like I literally just cleaned this. Cleaning up your makeup area will really just question why you ever did it. After you get ready, it's messy again. And it's like, wow, what was the point of that? What was the whole point of that? Getting kind of restless though. Like, what should I do? I'm about to do my makeup. I'm just trying to think, like, I have no lashes, but I have the extensions. This remover is horrible. I thought it was gonna work. That is out, but my eye is burning. Look at this clump. So many of my natural lashes came out in this. Ow. Not coming out as well. So guys, I don't really know what to do. This is not coming out. Don't do what I did at home. DIY lashes. Okay, yeah, but they're not gonna come out. But they did look really cute. Did save you a lot of time. I'm done curling my hair. Right now I have to flatten it though. And then I'm gonna do my makeup. And then we're gonna TikTok while I'm doing my makeup. So I actually decided to not do the lash extension.
Duh.
Okay, so I'm almost done filming my TikTok video, but I just have to come in here and let you guys know that these are my favorite pair of lashes, but I don't know where I got them from. Hi girl, you looking cute or whatever. Coronavirus! All this to film a TikTok video and to get a picture and to vlog, Avi. I'm gonna actually wear some highlighter. I'm gonna use this Artist Couture highlight in the shade Sex Pose. Can you guys even see? You know what time it is? It's 9:17. What am I doing drinking an iced coffee at 9:17? But you know what? That was a success. I filmed my TikTok video. You can watch it here. Cool. That was great. What the hell? It's crazy how much better I already feel because I look cute now. I know you guys have been in your pajamas looking a hot mess. Trust me, get up, go do your makeup, go put on a cute outfit, take a picture or whatever. Take a picture to even just remember this time in like 15, 20 years, you know? We can show our kids and be like, this is how I looked when I was surviving the coronavirus. And they'll be like, whoa, you're so cool. Like, how did you do that? And you'll be like, I don't know, man. It was a really hard time. I did what I did, and I look good doing it. I think that's it. That was my day at home with me. Hope you guys enjoyed. I never put out a vlog before of just me at home all day. It's always been throughout the course of 2 weeks that I've been vlogging. So, you know, this was like different and cool that you guys spent the whole day with me at home, quarantining. I mean, social distancing. I'm about to take my pictures, wash my makeup off, and then continue watching Queen of the South. Thank you so much for spending the day with me, and I hope you guys are safe, healthy. We're gonna fight this, guys. We're gonna fight this virus. It's not going to win, and it's not
going to ruin the summer.
A little mix with me either way. It's a big gap between us and the game. The next life I'm trying to stay paid. I die, put my money in the. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really gotta slap every nigga in the waist. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to stay pose with a mask.